Collaborative learning, the gallery walk strategy. Hey learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of collaborative problem solving, and the star of the show is the gallery walk strategy. This technique is not just effective but also quite enjoyable. Let's get started. The gallery walk is a collaborative learning technique where participants explore multiple texts or visual displays set up around the classroom. Think of it as a museum tour of ideas. Each exhibit or station has a unique problem, topic, or question. Participants move from one station to another, discussing and generating solutions or responses. The gallery walk is not just fun but has numerous educational advantages. 1. Engages learners actively. It breaks the monotony of regular teaching methods. 2. Encourages collaboration. Learners can share ideas, debate, and build upon each other's insights. 3. Provides variety. Different stations can cater to varied learning styles: visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. 4. Promotes critical thinking. As learners navigate through different stations, they encounter multiple perspectives. 1. Preparation. 2. Decide on the number of stations. 3. Prepare the questions or problems for each station. Place them on charts or tables around the room. 4. Instructions to students. 5. Form small groups, 3 to 4 members. 6. Assign each group a starting station. 7. Provide a time limit for each station, typically 5 to 10 minutes. 8. During the walk. 9. Encourage groups to discuss and jot down their thoughts or solutions. 10. Signal when it's time to move to the next station. 11. After the walk. 12. Conduct a class-wide discussion. Each group can share their insights from various stations. 13. As a teacher, provide feedback, clarify doubts, and highlight the most significant takeaways. 1. Engaging material. Ensure the problems or topics are thought-provoking. 2. Sufficient space. There should be enough room for groups to discuss without interfering with each other. 3. Rotate clockwise. To avoid confusion, groups should move in one direction. 4. Provide writing materials. Students should be able to jot down notes, ideas, or solutions. 5. Moderation. As a teacher, observe the discussions, provide prompts if needed, and manage time effectively. And that's the gallery walk for you. An engaging way to encourage collaboration and deep thinking. We hope you'll give it a try in your next collaborative problem-solving session. Remember, learning together often means learning better. Happy teaching and learning!